Open the dust plug. Use a crosshead screwdriver to remove the two screws fixing the rear cover. Use a pry piece to align with the groove and pry off the rear cover. Remove the dust plug. Install the dust plug. Fix the dust plug to the rear cover. Install the rear cover onto the battery. Confirm that the installation is in place. Tighten the two fixing screws. Close the dust plug.